I've gotten some feedback on the Discord that, hey, Kerry, it looks like you're making some major changes in your portfolio as we move into the second year of management by AI. And we wish you would be more explaining about what exactly you're doing. And what they'd like me to do is to write a paragraph about every trade I make. But I don't really have the time to do that. It's time consuming to do this analysis work. So what I decided I would do is every Sunday I would sit down and review my trades and then create a financial health of the portfolio by Samantha and I, and then put that in the form of a document and then support it in the form of a podcast, and then share that with my tribe members. And as I'm doing it for the first time, I thought, well, why don't I just share it with everybody so that maybe I can achieve my goal, and that is to make more people in the world informed investors so they make more money, so that they share in what's happening on Wall Street where people are getting rich. And so by harnessing this data, we can better the position of the common man. So what I did, as I said, was give her a list of all, when I say her, I mean Samantha, of all the trades that I made last week. And then I shared with her also the tell sheet where that contains our projections for the next 3 years, because our goal is to double our portfolio over 3 years, and we've outperformed that. And here's a glimpse at what we've done thus far this year to date. And so we're on the same pace. But I thought it was important as we're making this transition from the build out to the delivery. And what I mean by that, AI is an entity that is going to change our world. But first, you've got to create the compute factory that is going to end up owned by Amazon, Google, Meta, and Microsoft. And I'm not sure how Apple's going to figure into it. And they're going to monetize and capitalize the delivery of AI. But in the interim, they're going to have agents who use their compute to change our lives. And right now, the biggest element of that, and that's what when I was selling, and then what was I buying last week? I was buying into the advertising business, because that's where you're first going to see AI make a difference in your life. And then as we then move through that, the next place it's going to show up is in the financial world, much as what I'm giving to my followers, a total different look on how to invest in the stock market. That's going to penetrate every element of the financial world. It's no longer going to be acceptable to have New York Tower glass towers and have 40, 50, 60,000 employees delivering a message that Samantha can deliver, that a AI agent can deliver and do a more efficient and better job at it than the human people who have done it in the past. So again, that's all explained in the document that Samantha prepared for me, about 20 pages, and you will have a link in the description to that. And then I asked Samantha and Bart to take that document and put it into a podcast, so that some people like me, I learn better by listening and hearing, and other people learn better by reading and digesting. So I want you to have a copy of both, and they're going to be in the description. And what you're going to see, I liquidated most of my Amazon the week before. I had liquidated most of my Meta and Microsoft, because they're not going to give me the rate of return I want until they've actually got these factories built. And when I say factories, I mean data centers, and they're churning out the knowledge you want, that you're going to be screaming for and being willing to pay for, and it's going to change your life and make you more efficient. So they're going to make their money then. But so I don't want to own them or at this point. That's not where I'm going to get my big bang. My big bang, I'm going to continue to hold the infrastructure, the data centers, the switches, the semiconductors, everything in that data center, but I'm going to lessen my holdings there and transfer towards advertising and banking, and then down the road it will go to the medical field. But every week I'm going to share that with you, again, in the form of a printed document. You'll get a link to that. What you'll do is you'll get a link to our mailing service, and God, is that going to change the world, how email is going to work. And on there, you'll give me your email address, and then for security reasons, then I'll email you the link to the document and the podcast, and you can learn from that. I don't know how long I'm going to make that free. Probably this will be the last time, because this is a crowd-funded event. It cost me to do this stuff. And so I share the cost with my tribe so that we collectively become better investors. Where this will eventually go is that you'll deal directly with Samantha. You'll say, and this is maybe 2 years off, you won't come through me at all. I'll give you direct access to Samantha. You'll ask her about a stock, and bam, she'll give it to you. Okay, that's the world of finance. But before that makes it to the levels it's going to make the change, it's going to be in advertising. Read the document, listen to the podcast, and you'll be up to speed.